Watch ya. Look on the dirty plate them in the kitchen.
Cobweb, get your dirty cobweb.
That's a raven. It's the future I can see. Them left the place dirty. Like say me alone supposed to innocent clean up things.
Bring it around town.
So my brother Tando, look how I ask him for $500 and look how much money him have in him drop. Hey Lisa, lovely Lisa Hanner. Yeah. You can come look for me? I'll give you a vote. If loving you is wrong, I wanna be right. No. Me can always count on you. Give me a high five. Cause you never gonna left me. Ready? Hey Novia, lovely Novia McDonald. You mind taking a break from that accent to give me a little drop in?
Thank you very much, Ian Boy. Thank you for having me here on Profile. I remember the days, when I was going to school, just recall primary school, 1 foot of shoes I have had in here. 1 foot of shoes, and look at me now. I own an entire, entire country full of shoes alone.
Front teeth biggie, man.
Oh, did you mole.
Duck face. Nailed it. Try to get up on Instagram. Every minute in a different hotel. You know me not tree bad looking. Yeah. No man, big man thing every time you say lotion done. No man, nah, like the girl that never grown last week.
But just spoke or something?
Watch it now. What me tell you say? What me tell you say? Two of them are suck out tongue. Push right and kill. There's not gonna leave you. There's no way I will. No Creed. Telling you.
Well, that's it, everyone. Thanks for watching this video. Make sure to subscribe up there, so like, comment, share, and all them something. Make sure that you follow me on Facebook, Dirty Berry Show, Instagram, @Dirty Berry Show, Twitter, @Dirty Berry Show as well. And if you want to email me, you want to book me and all them something there, contact me. It is dirtyberryshow@gmail.com. Alright, peace out until next week.